So how do you see the role of exploration in what seems to be a very abundant war of resources today, right?
That's a great question, because I think exploration during the price downturn, exploration has really suffered. A lot of companies have cut down their exploration budgets. I think it's coming back a little bit, but I just recently heard an interesting comment from a research company. They basically said, we meet with some companies and they are exploring, but they don't want to tell their investors that they're exploring. Right? So it's not really something that's being rewarded by investors much these days, but it's essential. This is something that will take care of our portfolios 5, 10, 15 years into the future. That being said, I think the underestimated part of resource replacement is enhanced recovery, is EOR. And maybe that's something that we, coming from Equinor, formerly Statoil, talk about a lot. But I think even going forward, as technology develops and we have a situation where recovery rates in some fields are 10% for Pelagian fields in the Gulf of Mexico, 20 to 25% in Miocene fields, and even in onshore they're extremely low, I think there will be more and more focus in the technology area on finding ways to improve that recovery.